Here we've got a list of test results, and we need to match the status with the result in the table in columns B and C. Test 1 resulted in a 29. According to our scale, that's a pass because it's larger than 25, smaller than 75. This would be easy to do in native Excel with XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP. But what if we are stuck having to do this in Power Query? It gets a little tricky, and I'm going to show you one technique that's informally called binning. With the cursor in the data set from table/range. Here's our data. We're going to add column, but then I'm going to select this column because that's what we want to reference. Columns from example, from selection. Let's slide this over. 29 is a pass. So I'm going to feed this some examples, and it's going to start creating a formula for us. 80 is a fail. 72 is a pass. 152, that's danger. Let's give it an excellent. That's the 6. We need to give it a satisfactory. That would be something between 25 and 10, 17. All of our statuses are represented in this custom column. We're going to click OK, even though they're not all correct. What we're going to do now is go into the formula. This is where we're going to make our changes. If greater than or less than 152, no, we need to change that to 120. Next, where it has greater than or equal to 80, no, we need to put 75. Next, instead of 29, we need to have 25. That's where pass is. And then, greater than or equal to 17, no, 10. Now that is the formula we want. I hit enter, everything updated. We can close and load this to the workbook. And here is everything all matched up.